Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix connection lost in Ubisoft Connect. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Once you are on Ubisoft Connect, you want to go to your profile icon right there at the top, and then you're going to see this arrow and you want to click on it and then click on settings. On settings you want to be on general, and on general you want to change proxy settings. Click on it. After that, this will pop up and you want to go ahead, see connections, and then local area network LAN settings. You want to click on LAN settings. From here you want to make sure that both of these are checked, and then this one too. And if there is any numbers here, you want to click on advanced and delete them all and click OK. And then of course, again here, OK, and then apply. And that's pretty much it. After that, click OK. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.